Welcome to the future of enterprise application deployment. Today, we explore the seamless integration of Pega's new versions into the world's leading containerized environments. Introduction to Pega in containers. Pega provides cutting-edge solutions for business process management. Deploying Pega in a containerized environment enhances scalability, flexibility, and portability across multiple platforms. Let's dive into each platform and discover how Pega leverages the power of containerization in Azure, AWS, OpenShift, GCP, and native Kubernetes. Deployment in Azure Kubernetes Service. Azure Kubernetes Service simplifies Pega's deployment, offering built-in monitoring, automatic scaling, and integration with Azure services. Deployment in Amazon EKS. Amazon EKS provides a managed Kubernetes service that automates Pega's deployment. Benefit from AWS's vast ecosystem, reliability, and scalability to meet enterprise demands. Deployment in Red Hat OpenShift. Red Hat OpenShift offers an enterprise-grade Kubernetes environment. It facilitates Pega's deployment with enhanced security, comprehensive policy management, and developer-friendly tools. Deployment in Google Kubernetes Engine. Google Kubernetes Engine powers Pega's deployment with its high-performing, managed Kubernetes service. Leverage Google's infrastructure for robust security, data analytics, and AI capabilities. Deployment in native Kubernetes. Deploying Pega on native Kubernetes offers unparalleled control and flexibility to customize your environment to fit your specific needs while benefiting from Kubernetes orchestration capabilities. Pega's versatile deployment options ensure your enterprise can thrive in any environment. Embrace containerized solutions for a future-proof, scalable, and efficient Pega setup.